So, welcome everyone. So, for this video, I'm gonna explain kung paano ba ako kumikita ng ganong kalaking pera. Maaling nakita nyo ako sa TikTok ko, sa Instagram ko, or kung saan pa man. So, this is a free webinar kung saan i-explain ko po sa inyo lahat on how this business runs. So, first of all, my branding is what we call CRA or Course Resell Academy. So, ito po yung magiging course natin overall. And then, this is good for beginners, zero experience, okay lang. I started with zero experience also. Minor or adult, okay lang. Sa minor, by the way, you have to have your own bank account and other valid IDs. Now, if you don't have, you can use your parents' valid ID as of the moment or bank nila. So, pwede naman yun. This is also good for student and working. So, kahit part-time nyo lang po ito, kahit may full-time kayo, no problem, that's okay. And I only work 10 to 20 minutes a day because I only do is mag-upload ng one video a day to promote my course. That's it. Kung nakita nyo ako sa TikTok, kung anong klaseng way ko ng pagpo-promote at pag-video, ganun lang din po yung gagawin nyo. And later on, ma-explain ko pa yan. So, ayan, 10 to 20 minutes and minsan nagtatagal lang ako kasi yun nga, I reply to your mga inquiries at sa mga nagbe-message po sa akin. And I also have assistant naman. And then, it is also good for not so tech savvy. So, kung hindi kayo masyadong magaling, that's okay kasi napakasimple lang naman po ng mga instructions and we have GC na mapagtatanungan. Now, if nagwo-work kayo abroad, that's not a problem. Okay lang din po kasi kahit saan naman po kayo dito, pwede nyo po itong gawin. And if cellphone lang po ba, okay na? Yes po, it's possible. However, syempre, malaki yung advantage nyo if you are using laptop or computer kasi upon making your website or dun sa website i-edit nyo, which is super dali lang din, kumpleto po kasi lahat ng features if you use laptop or computer. Pero yun nga, yung iba ko student is, dahil wala talaga sila, ang ginagamit na lang din nila is kanilang phone. So, mas ma-effort nga lang kapag phone. Next is, ayan, so overall, totally for beginners po siya. Now, let me introduce myself din pala. I also tried various things na before. So, nagbenta na ako ng kung ano-ano. Ayan, nagtry na din ako ng forex trading if you're familiar with that. Before, kumikita ko around 300,000 per day lang po iyon. Pero ayun nga, naging greedy. Wala akong risk management. So, ayan, nagkatalo-talo. And then, yun, naubos po yung pera na iniipon ko doon sa forex trading. I even tried affiliate marketing sa TikTok. Hindi siya nag-work. Automated YouTube, hindi rin nag-work. Nag-sell na din ako ng mga clothes and other products online, hindi din nag-work. Dropshipping, hindi din nag-work. At eto din, nag-try din ako ng mga investment schemes before, yung alam niyo yung 5,000 mo, magiging 15,000 in just a month. Something like that. So, yun, na-try ko din yun and ang end up is na-scam nga ako. And I also do freelancing. So, meron din po akong video editing agency which is I almost have 50 clients right now and I have 10 employees. So, ayan po, nagmamanage din ako ng freelancing aside from my online course which is this one. So, I really recommend pa rin itong online course kasi mas madali po siya compared sa freelancing na ang dami mong kailangang i-manage. So, ayan, freelancing versus online course. I do recommend online course kasi this is automated. All you have to do is to promote one video or to post one video a day or else you can hire or you can ask other people to promote it for you, no problem. So ito po yung kinita ko before pa ako mag-launch. So parang ito yung mga ano-ano ko pa lang sa mga friends ko, sa mga international clients ko. Alam mo yung mga pasagi ko pa lang, pa-promote ko pa lang ng sabi-sabi, ganun. So within the first day, I made $497 and mostly ito yung mga international clients ko, okay? So again, mayroon po akong agency so madali na lang ako makukuha ng mga international clients. So, ayan, $497 to $1,485 hanggang naging $31,311 within just 6 days. Yes po, I did that within just 6 days. And ito po yung PayPal ko noon. So, matagal ko na kasi yung PowerPoint to and later on after this slides, I'm gonna show you my testimony sa IG ko naman. So, ayan yung PayPal ko noon, nare-receive ko na email na tad-tad ng nagbabayad. So, sunod-sunod po sila ng kumukuha. Ito yung sample na laman niya sa loob. You receive a payment of $130 from, ayan. So, tinakpan ko na for privacy. And then, ayan, minsan $1,491 yung sales ko, minsan $2,417, minsan $3,583, minsan $560. So, it varies po. Depende, syempre, kung ilan yung mag-a-avail at sino yung mag-a-avail. So, also, if you're gonna stalk my Instagram, you just have to click this part, testimonies. Ayan, ito yung mga kinita ko before, katulad doon nasa PowerPoint ko. This one, kaka-launch ko lang, 3,500. Then, ayan, 4,800 pa lang. Yung ano niya, naka-sale na siya agad. So, 7,000 and $759, $560. So, ayan guys, ang dami ko pong proof dito sa ano ko, sa Instagram highlights ko. All you have to do is to stalk me. So, ayan po lahat ng mga kinita ko na. And other details about my course. What is Course Rizal Academy nga ba? So, ano nga ba tong Course Rizal Academy natin? Paano ba ito nag-work and paano ba kayo kikita dito? So, first of all, inside this course, I teach you how to make your own online course and how to automate it. So, kung ano man po yung tinuturo ko sa inyo, that's what we called online course. Kasi, ayun, nagtuturo ako sa iyo online. So, parang yun nga, parang school din. However, this is just online. You pay for me to teach you. That's it. So, how does it work nga ba? So, example, you availed my course, which is itong CRA na course ko. And then, kunyari, nag-pay na kayo. Then, ayan na, inad ko na kayo doon. So, may CRA na din kayo. Ngayon, you just have to rebrand it as your own course. What I mean by that, pwede nyo kasi itong ibenta yung course ko mismo. So, pwede nyo siyang palitan ng logo nyo, ng pangalan nyo, ng kulay nyo. I-rebrand nyo siya as your own. Kayo na po ang bahala. Okay? So, balik, kayong bahala. Basta pag kabili nyo sa akin, sa inyo na din yung course ko, pwede nyo din siyang ibenta sa iba. So, ang galing, no? Natuto na kayo doon sa course ko. At the same time, pwede nyo pang pagkakitaan yung course ko. And lahat po nung ibebenta nyo, kunyari, ibebenta nyo siya, sa inyo po lahat ng profit na iyon. Wala akong kita doon kahit ano, sa inyo na po yan totally. You're free to do whatever you want. So, ayun nga, pagka-avail nyo ng course ko, all you have to do is to create your website or funnels, which is may built-in funnels na rin po tayo. Ibig sabihin nun, may website na po tayo, may website na kayo kaagad. Once na mag-avail kayo, all you have to do is to change the name, change the logo, change other details para ma-rebrand nyo siya as your own, di ba? So, ganun lang. And dito sa website na to or sa funnels na to, dyan sila magpipay sa inyo through PayPal or GCash. And after na, yan, automatically, marireceive nyo na yung bayad nila. So, again, bibili kayo ng course ko. And then inside my course, I teach you how to create your own online course. In case you don't want to create your own online course, pwede nyo na agad ibenta itong course ko. Gets po ba? So, ayan, i-rebrand nyo siya as your own. Then, kukunin nyo yung built-in website nyo dun sa loob ng course ko. Papalitan nyo na ng ibang logo, ibang details. Lagay nyo yung PayPal nyo, lagay nyo yung GCash account nyo. Then, after that, yan, receive ng money. So, po-promote lang ulit kayo. And then, lahat ng gustong mag-avail sa inyo, same process lang. So, receive lang kayo ng receive ng money. Promote, may magbabayad sa inyo, receive money. Promote, may magbabayad, receive money. Ganun lang po kadali. Hindi na kayo gumawa ng sarili nyong course kasi pwede nyo nang ibenta yung course ko and makaka-receive na agad kayo ng pera. So, ganun lang po yun. So, this is what we call, this part is funnels. So, sinet up ko lang yung funnels ko ng 1.5 days. So, kayang-kaya nyo rin po siyang iset up. Actually, ng 2 hours lang. Kayang-kaya nyo na po siyang iset up ng 2 hours. Yung akin kasi, di ba, ako nag-build ng sarili kong website. So, it took me 1.5 days. Since kayo, may built-in na po kayo, kayang-kaya nyo po yung gawin ng 2 hours, 3 hours, tapos na po yan agad. Now, how to sell your course and get your target buyers. Paano nyo po ba ibebenta yung course nyo kung sakaling mag-avail kayo sa akin? Ngayon, usually we sell this in TikTok. And ako, ang biggest platform ko is TikTok kasi mabilis lang talaga magpa-viral ng video sa TikTok if you know the strategy. And inside my course, I teach you what kind of strategy ba yung ginagamit ko para makakuha ng madaming course. Kahit mag-start ako from scratch, 0 followers, nag-try na po, and pinakita ko ng proof yan sa community namin na pinakita ko, I started from nothing kasi ang dami nagsasabi na, ma'am, ang dami nyo po kasing followers kaya ang dami nyo pong sales. No, that is not correct. Pinakita ko ba ito yung proof na nag-start ako from scratch, naggumawa ko ng bagong account and ilang days lang, ilang weeks lang, ayan, nag-boom agad, ang dami ko agad sales. So, ayan po, tinuturo ko po doon. So, basically, ang biggest platform namin is TikTok, but we also use Instagram and Facebook. So, and ang target namin is for them or for other people to message you, hindi ikaw yung lalapit sa kanila. So, parang ginagawa nyo po ngayon, di ba? Nakita nyo yung TikTok account ko and then kayo mismo yung nag-message sa akin that you want to avail your course, my course, and you are interested with my course. So, the same process lang din po. Again, inside my course, ituturo ko na po talaga lahat doon kung paano ba ito magagawa, kung paano nyo ba ito ipopromote para magkaroon kayo ng maraming sales. And then, ayan nga, you don't have big audience. So, isa sa mga clients ko before, si Natalia. So, she only has 116 followers sa IG. And then, ayan, within just a few days, meron na dalawang nag-avail sa kanya. And ang benta niya is $497 each. So, sa Pilipinas, that is almost 27,000. So, 27,000 times 2 is 54,000 pesos within just 2 days. Tapos, ganito lang followers niya, 116. And then yan, you only need one sale to make your investment back. So in case you avail my course, isang bentahan mo lang, nabalik mo na agad yung puhunan mo, and the rest ng ibebenta mo, sayo na po yun, 100% profit. Now, example, ayan na, kunyari sa international clients nyo, nagbenta kayo ng $497. So, maka 10 sales lang kayo, 4,970 na agad yun. So, kahit sa isang buwan, makaganto lang kayo, grabe, naka 200 or mag-300,000 na po agad yung kikitain nyo. So, ganun lang po siya. And kung 100 sales, 49,700. But again, it doesn't mean na ganito agad magiging pricing nyo. You can start from smaller pricing like $50 and then palaki na po ng palaki. So katulad lang nung course ko, I started from 385 pesos lang and ngayon 1,299 na po siya and pataas na po ng pataas. Now, ito pa yung other testimonials kay Amalia. Within just 4 days of starting, nakakuha na siya ng isang sale niya. Kay Ashley, 48 hours lang, naka $1,988 na. Kay Phoebe, naka 2 sales lang within just 48 hours. Kay Brett, and in just less than 12 hours after launching, naka first sale na. Kay Christy, naka $21,500 in 5 days. Ashley made over $20,000 in just 2 weeks. So imagine guys, ganito po kalaki yung possible yung kitain kung seseryosohin nyo talaga yung business na ito. And then, imagine waking up to a new sales notification. So, ayan po, katulad ng mga sales ko before, gigising na lang ako, katulad po yung mga nasa IG story ko, gigising na lang ako, kahit kaka-withdraw ko lang nung gabi. Magugulat na lang ako, pagbukas ko ng bangko, ng Gcash ko, ng PayPal ko, ang dami ko na po agad nare-receive na pera. And that is very legit. Kaya nga po, ito yung sinasabi ko na kahit wala kayong ginagawa, is kikita talaga kayo. Kasi, ayun nga, pag nag-interested sila sa inyo, magpe-pay na lang sila automatically sa inyo. Magugulat na lang kayo, may mga marireceive po kayong pera upon you promoting your course. And then, ayun nga, parang ang sarap din, no? Kumakain ka, kumikita ka. Tapos naliligo ka, kumikita ka. Gumagala ka, kumikita ka. Kumakain ka, kumikita ka. Nanonood ka, kumikita ka. So, whatever you're doing, kumikita ka po. And then, why would people buy this from you? Example, you bought it from me. So, ngayon, nag-question mo, ma'am, bibilhin po ba nila sa akin to? Paano po ba? So, first of all, hundreds of thousands of people who want to learn how to make extra income and learn how to monetize social media. So, I know you're here because you're interested to earn money, right? So, ganun din yung mafe-feel ng mga taong bibili sa'yo. They also want to earn money kaya sila mag-avail ng course nyo. And we have almost 6 billion people na interested na bumili nito. Why? Because everyone wants to make money. Bata man yan, matanda, may trabaho, walang trabaho, malaki kinikita, they still want to earn money, especially when it is passive and automated. Ngayon, the price is very affordable and madali nga lang makakita without madali lang kayo makakuha ng sales without paying thousands of dollars katulad ng iba kong courses. You can make your investment back within one just sale. So isang bentahan nyo lang, balik na kayo ng puhunan. So it is a genius idea, easy to set up in couple of days, doesn't require any experience, no monthly fees, no paying commissions, and they know that they can resell it and make their investment back in one day. So, same process lang din po yung mafe-feel ng mga bibili sa inyo. So, alam nilang, after nilang bilihin niya, pwede agad silang kumita and ibenta iyon. So, ayan. And apart from reselling, how else can you profit here? So, aside from reselling, first of all, ayan nga, unang-una sa lahat yung reselling. So, pwedeng-pwede nyo ibenta yung course nyo anytime that you want. Yung course ko anytime that you want. Kahit di na kayo gumawa ng course nyo, wala na kayong gagawin. Gagawin nyo na lang po is magpo-promote. That's it. And then, also, if ayaw nyo nung built-in course ko, you can make your own online course. So, kung gusto nyo gumawa ng course about guitar, about piano, about, about Canva, about marketing. So, kayo pong bahala, you can make your own online course. At tinuro ko po dun sa loob mismo kung paano. And then, after that, yan, pwedeng affiliate marketing. Kung ayaw nyo mag-promote, you can ask other people to promote it for you, then bigyan nyo na lang po sila ng commission. So, napakadali po talaga ng process na ito. Now, what's your advantage? So, this is not a saturated yet. So, hindi siya saturated pa. So, kakaumpisa lang niya actually and usually ako lang talaga nagpo-promote. So, ayan, good start po talaga if ngayon pa lang mag-start na kayo. And then, aside from this, you can always make your own online course. So, hindi po yan natatapos. Hanggang may isip ka, pwede kang mag-create ng iba't ibang online course. Gusto mo gumawa ng online course about sa math, sa English, kahit saan, you can make your own course. And then everything is automated and you just got it from me at a low price. And then we are using also free platform. So wala po kayong babayaran inside my course or sa paggawa ng kung ano-ano man. And then, what you will get inside the course. So, ayan po, I have my mini course which is only 520 pesos. And I have my full course which is 1,499 pesos. So, inside my mini course, as you can see, tuturuan ko nga kayo how to make your own online course. Meron na po kayong ditong built-in na funnels or yung built-in na website na sinasabi ko kanina. Meron na din po kayong built-in dito na mini course lang din, kaunting course lang. And then, meron na, tuturuan ka na din kayo how to automate and how to make passive income from it and simple strategy to market your course. So, dito, mga mini-mini lang siya. Very simple lang. And if you really want na kumita agad with my full guide and the full of our community, I have my full course which is 1,499 pesos. So, you'll have everything in mini course. Makukuha nyo po lahat yan dito. May built-in full course po kayo. Dito kasi mini course lang. Dito, built-in full course na syempre kapag full course, mas magiging interesado yung mga buyers nyo na bumili sa inyo kasi full course nga. And then may access kayo sa community natin and then pwede kayo mag-grab ng mga testimonies sa community natin para matulungan kayong mag-promote ng product nyo or ng course nyo. And sasabihin ko rin yung secret ko in getting a lot of sales. Can join our group chat, mga Filipino po dito. Pwede kayo magtanong dito as much as you want and pwede kayo mag-share ng mga ideas. May free live webinar po ako every 2 weeks. Free TikTok PDF, free Instagram strategies, free sales marketing PDF. Lalagay ko dito how to record your own webinar, katulad nito, how to create your course in Telegram, how to make different course, how to target international clients, ito, and get a lot of sales. May free template na din po ako sa webinar nyo. And then yung pricing, tuturuan ko kayo paano ba mag-price ng course nyo, how to utilize IG to gain more sales, turning prospects into buyers, how to talk and negotiate, free ebooks, and aside from this, sa full course, makukuha nyo rin po ito. So, ayan, why the number of followers isn't important, what to share in your TikTok account, creating compelling videos, effective testimonial formats, quickly boosting followers and sales, making potential buyers intrigued, catching the attention of your buyers, combining TikTok and Instagram, selling successfully in Instagram, turning prospect into buyers, katulad nga nito, through negotiation, ideas for Instagram posts, selling without speaking on camera, generating high sales on Facebook, making your course stand out, reaching international clients, key points for webinars, setting the right price for your course, recording webinars, automating your market via email. So, lahat po yan makukuha nyo for only 149 pesos. 1,499 pesos now. Sorry, I didn't, nakalimutan ko palang i-edit to. That is 1,499. If you want to avail the 1,499 package and you don't have the budget yet, you can reserve your slots for only 600 pesos. Okay, 600 pesos po. Kasi ito nga, lagi pong tumataas yung course ko. So, kunyari, if 1,499 lang to, maaring ilang araw lang, tataas na po ulit to. Now, if you want to reserve 1,499, pwede na po kayo magbayad ng 600 pesos. This is non-refundable and needs to be paid in full within 4 days. Okay? So, after po nun, amin na po yung 600 pesos if hindi nyo po siya nabayaran. And you can only access the course only once you're fully paid. Okay? So, pag nag-down payment po kayo, wala po muna kayong access. Kapag fully paid na po, tsaka lang kayo magkaka-access. This is just to reserve your slot because the course price always increases. So, and 70% of my students avail this part. So, aside from this, disclaimer lang, I am not claiming na 100% kayo magiging successful sa business nito, na sobrang magiging madali na mag-earn po kayo katulad ng mga ina-earn namin, and 100% po kayo magiging successful dito. Again, there is no 100% business. Everything takes risk. Everything takes challenges. So, may iba't iba po tayong strength and weaknesses. But, if you stay consistent and magkaroon kayo talaga ng discipline to earn and sundan nyo po talaga yung process, tanggalin nyo yung mga hiya nyo, I am promise na magkakaroon po talaga kayo ng sales. That's it. Again po, ang perang kikitain nyo ay hindi nakadepende sa akin, nakadepende po sa effort na i-exert nyo. So, kung hindi kayo kumikita, hindi ko po yung kasalanan at hindi po yung kasalanan na nasa community, that is your fault. Now, I only have 100 slots here. After 100 slots, magtataas na po ulit ako ng course price ko. All you have to do to avail is to message me on my Instagram. That is my Instagram, liza.may, tapos underscore ba to, tawag dito, basta ayan. Just message me that you want to avail my course or you want to reserve your slot if you want. And then also, kung wala kayong Instagram taga, I have my Facebook, pero medyo late po ako nagre-reply dito. My name is Liza May Enriquez Sahot. So ayan, screenshot nyo na lang po. And then, these are the few questions that I get a lot. So, ma'am, how can I make sales? I don't have my own profit or testimony yet since I'm just starting. Again po, sa community natin inside my course, may makukuha na po kayo doon testimonies na pwede nyong magamit. So, ipopost ko lahat ng testimonies done and you can use that to promote your course. Like sabihin nyo sa promotion nyo na ito na yung kinikita ng isa kong friend na nag-avail sa akin, na ito na yung kinikita ng mga tao sa community namin, na if mag-join kayo sa course ko, ganito yung kikitain nyo. So, ganun po. And you do not own those testimonies. Next, ma'am, what if I only have few followers? What if no one buys? Ma'am, are you still sure it will sell? So, again po, followers doesn't matter. Again, kung mag-join po kayo doon, makikita nyo po doon na I really started from scratch. Pinatunayan ko po sa kanila na kahit konti followers nyo, you start from zero, anything, yes po, you can make a lot of sales. Okay? Then, ma'am, what if I don't have the money yet but I really want to avail? Again po, if you really want to avail the full course, which is 1,499, you can reserve your slot for only 600 pesos and non-refundable. Ma'am, isn't it oversaturated? Again po, kakaumpisa lang po nito dito and kakastart pa lang. So, this is your chance para mag-avail ng course nito dahil hindi lang naman siya for local clients or dito sa Pilipinas, kundi for international clients pa. And imagine how many people ang meron sa buong mundo. And then, do I have to create my own webinar also? Yes po. I really suggest and I do recommend you create your own webinar. Why? Kasi what if madaming tao nga nag-interested sa course nyo, then magtatanong sila, ma'am, paano po ba to gawin? Ma'am, paano po siya magkikita dyan? Ma'am, magkano po ba? Ma'am, paano po ba yung kalakaran dyan? Ma'am, saan po ba yung market yan? So, ang daming tanong. And anong gagawin? Masasagutin mo yun isa-isa? That is the benefit po of having webinar. Para pag nagtanong sila, sasabihin nyo na lang, okay ma'am, sir, panoorin nyo po itong webinar na to, nandito na po lahat ng explanation. So, pag pinanood nila, nandun na sila, and after nun, usually yun, nagbabayad na sila sa akin and nagpipay na po sila. Next, is it okay if I don't show my face? Yes po, it's okay, but 100%, 80% kapag nagsushow kayo ng face mo, you build more trust sa mga tao and mas gusto nilang bumili sa inyo. And yes, you can still have a lot of sales even though you don't show your face by posting videos na wala nga mukha nyo. And then also by hiring or asking someone else to promote it for you. Next, is it okay to just use a phone? Katulad po ng sabi ko kanina, I do recommend talaga na laptop computer gamitin nyo para makita nyo po lahat ng features. However, if you're gonna use your phone, that's okay. Pero yun nga po, mas magiging complicated siya and hindi lahat ng features makukumpleto nyo kasi phone lang po yung gamit nyo. What skills are needed before starting here? Ang skills lang po na kailangan nyo is discipline, consistency, at walang hiya. Yes po, that's it. Kapag meron kayong tatlo ng promise, kikita po talaga kayo ng sobrang laki dito. And isipin nyo na lang ito guys ha. A lot of you ay bumibili ng sobrang mamahaling products like apples or kumbaga lahat kayo siguro mga ino-order nyo sa Shopee kung magkaano kung suma total. And this one, 1,499 pesos lang po ito. Imagine nyo yung learning at investment na ipupuhunan nyo is kung gaano kayo magpo-profit dito if magseseryoso kayo. So imagine yung mga bagay na nagastos nyo before na hindi naman kayo nag-earn. So mga bagay na nagastos nyo before na ngayon wala na. So this part or this learning is mareretain po ito sa inyo habang buhay. So again, if you really want to avail my course, just message me on my Instagram, Liza May, and thank you so much for listening. Once again, this is CRA course or Course Resell Academy.